Good girl. As part of the steadiness training with labs and flushing dogs like the Springers, I utilise a few pigeons in the garden, and I thought I'd just take the opportunity of showing what a dog, who's a finished dog, the degree of steadiness to birds walking about. Now she's an experienced dog. Probably last shooting season she probably retrieved something like 2,500 head of game. So not to say she's perfect, she's got some bad habits, but she's very, very experienced. But even so, she can still go for a dummy that's thrown amongst moving birds like that and bring back what we want, rather than have the best of fun in the world, which is to catch a pigeon. So there's one. Anna. Good girl. Look at here. Good girl.